Today we're going to learn about Anuloma Viloma, or the alternate nostril breath. So this is a tried and tested and true breath technique to help balance both sides of our body, both sides of our brain, and all the currents of flow of energy that are associated with those two sides, the yin and the yang, the left and the right nostril. So it's called alternate nostril breathing because we're going to be taking turns blocking each nostril and breathing through the other side. So when we do that, it engages different aspects of our nervous system, the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous system. So the parasympathetic nervous system, this is the part of our nervous system that lets us rest and digest. It's calm, it's relaxing, and this is associated with our left nostril, or our lunar side, yin side. And alternately, our right side is associated with the yang side. So this is our sympathetic nervous system, and it's associated with the sun, the solar energy. So this is a more active, alert, fight or flight aspect that we have. So when we engage the alternate nostril breath, we are essentially balancing these two polar opposites that course through our body and our energetic system. So sometimes we can be more on the sympathetic side, where we are in the fight or flight reactionary mode, or sometimes we can be more or too much in the parasympathetic side. And when that happens, we are complacent or inert. So we're just always engaged in that particular mode. So this breath also helps to balance our brain waves, so that we have a balance between our logic and also the more abstract and the artistic or creative aspects. But as we practice this breath, we're going to be holding the breath within, and that will be the longest portion. So we have a ratio that we're going to be holding our breath, breathing in and exhaling for. So first part of that ratio is our inhale. So we're going to be inhaling for a count of 4. Then we're going to be holding for a count of 12. Then we're going to be exhaling for a count of 8. So the ratio is 1, 4, 2. Okay? So let's get started. So just sit comfortably and bring your spine up. And we're going to take our hands into mudras. So the first mudra with our left hand is the chin mudra, index and the thumb touching. We're just going to rest that hand there on the knee so that the palm is facing up and the last 3 fingers are together. Then we're going to take our right hand into the Vishnu mudra. So we take the middle finger and the index finger into the palm. And we're going to open our thumb out, and the other 2 fingers are pointing up. So the thumb is going to be blocking our right nostril, and our ring finger is going to be blocking our left nostril. Okay? So we're going to be going back and forth with our breath. So let's start. We'll cover the right nostril and take an inhale for a count of 4 through your left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold the breath. So we're going to use the ring finger and thumb to block the nose, completely blocked for the count of 12. And then we're going to cover the left nostril with that ring finger and exhale for a count of 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale, right, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cover right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Hold both nostrils. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale right. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax your hand down and take a deep breath through both nostrils. Relax that breath out. Take another full deep breath in. And relax that breath out. And take one more deep, deep breath. And relax that breath out. So here's a simple version of the Anuloma Viloma without the ratio. We take the hand of the left into the Chin Mudra. We take the right hand again into the Vishnu Mudra, and we cover the right nostril with the thumb. And we take an inhale through the left, long, deep, full breath in. And once you're full, cover the left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale through the right. Then inhale slowly and deeply through the right. Cover the right, exhale left. Inhale left. And cover the left. Exhale right. And continue like that. Then once you have finished, just rest with the palms open. Close the eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now you can continue on with Anuloma Viloma for longer than what we have done on this video if you would like. The longer you go with it, then the more benefits you can derive from it. And also if you want to practice a breathing technique before the practice of Anuloma Viloma, you can see my video of Kapalabati breathing. Thank you.